Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn lead code problem 283 move zeros. Okay, here you can see given an integer array numbers. Okay, like this in input. Here you can see in screen numbers equals to 0, comma 1, comma 0, comma 3, comma 12. Okay, so these are the numbers. Okay, so given an integer array numbers, move all 0 to the end of it. Okay, so we need to move this 0 end of the uh, end of this. Okay, so here you can see in output, we we moved 0 at end of the numbers. Okay, by end of it while maintaining the relative order of the non-zero element. So note that you must do in place without making a copy of the array. So here example 2, number equals to 0, then output equals to 0. So now okay, so if we have number 0 comma 1 comma 3 comma 12. Okay, so start uh, uh, start pos equals to 0. Okay, so POS means index where next non-zero should go. Okay, where next non-zero should go. Okay, so here I equals to 0, number equals to 0, so we can't, I mean I equals to 0, so we need to skip this. Okay, so as it is we need to I mean we don't need to skip this. This number is as it is. Okay, so here after 0 I have I equals to 1. At 1 I have one number 1, so which is a non-zero number, so we need to swap with POS. Okay, so here I need to swap 0 with 1 and 1 with 0. Here you can see 1 at 0 place and 0 at 1's place. Okay, here you can see, and yeah, after that same uh, as it is 0 comma 3 comma 12. Okay, so POS equals to 1. Okay, so and after that I need to increase value of I equals to 2 and number equals to 2. At 2 we have 0, 0 1 2. Here you can see 0 1 2. So we need to skip this because we can't swap zero numbers. Okay, so at I equals to 3, uh, we need to check in numbers at 0 1, at 1 0, and at 2 we have 0, and 3 we have 3. So this is the non-zero, non-zero, then we can swap it with the number 1. Okay, so here we can see we need to swap 1 with 3 and 3 with 1. Okay, so here 1 3 1 comma 3 comma 0 comma 0 comma 12. Now POS equals to 2 and I equals to 4. Number of number at 4 index 4 equals to 12. So 12 also non-zero. Now we need to swap number 2. Okay, so here we can see swap 2 with 12. Okay, so POS equals to 3. So output equals to 1 comma 3 comma 12 comma 0 comma 0. Okay, so this is the I mean I am going to explain what's going on in our program. So now I need to write this. So here you can see n equals to length. Okay, POS equals to 0 and for I in range n. Okay, for I in range of n, I need to put semicolon. I always forget this. And after that I need to apply condition if numbers nums numbers I is not equals to sorry, for not equals to not equals to 0, then I need to do swap. numbers I, comma, numbers of POS equals to nums of I nums of POS, comma, numbers of I. Okay, so here I need to have numbers of number I index with numbers of POS and numbers of POS swap with numbers of I, index I. Okay, so here um, pause I need to increase pause value I1. Okay, so here you can see, okay, so uh, code accepted by lead code and all cases test cases passed. Okay, so here you can see uh, case 4 number equals to 0, case 2, and this is the case 1. Okay, okay guys, bye bye, take care. If you have any doubt, please do comment, I will explain you.